Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
The personality of Godhead continued. My dear Dhruv, after your material life in this body, you will go to my planet, which is always offered obeisances by the residents of all other planetary systems. It is situated above the planets of the 7 rishis, and having gone there, you will never have to come back again to this material world. In this verse, the word navartati is very significant. The Lord says, you will not come back to this material world, for you will reach Matsthanam, my abode. Therefore Dhruvloka, or the pole star, is the abode of Lord Vishnu within this material world. Upon it there is an ocean of milk, and within that ocean there is an island known as Shvetadvipa. It is clearly indicated that this planet is situated above the 7 planetary systems of the rishis, and because this planet is Vishnu Loka, it is worshipped by all other planetary systems. It may be questioned here, what will happen to the planet known as Dhruvloka at the time of the dissolution of this universe? The answer is simple. Dhruvloka remains, like other Vaikuntha-lokas, beyond this universe. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has commented in this connection that the very word Navartite indicates that this planet is eternal.